Hey y'all, come on in. It's springtime and we are trying to figure out all the different ways that we can use this spinach that is in abundance at the farmer's market. Very quick and simple recipe. You could throw together in minutes. We're just gonna do red lentil spinach, onion, garlic, ginger, and cumin. Let's get going. First, we're gonna start by sauteing some onions and garlic. I find ginger like challenging to cut, so I don't really know the perfect way. This is how I do it. I'll break off a piece and just kind of use my knife to get as much as the outside off. Then I end up using my garlic press a lot, so I'll cut this into pieces that will fit in the garlic press. Mostly what's going to happen, it's going to do a lot of juice. It doesn't really press it in the way that garlic gets pressed, but then I'll take it out of the press and chop it from there. So then what I do is I take the pulp out of the garlic press. Maybe this is way too many steps, but I really don't like big bites of ginger. I love the flavor, but if I was to get a big old chunk of ginger in my food, I just don't like it. So then I'll just kind of chop it up a little bit more from there. Next, we're gonna add in our cumin. It's nice to kind of saute it down with the onion and garlic and ginger because it will kind of bring to life the spice. I had some extra bones a couple days ago, and I went ahead and made a bone broth that I'm gonna use for my liquid for my red lentils. You could use regular water, you could use vegetable broth, but I just happen to have that available, and so it's gonna give it a lot of flavor. I personally like to rinse my lentils. Not everybody does, but I'll use my little mesh strainer to rinse my lentils. We're gonna do about 2 cups of lentils. Covered my lentils with my broth, and I've put up, I'm the worst at this, I didn't measure it, but I put amount I think that it will need. If as it's cooking down I need to add more broth, I have my broth here and I can just keep adding a little bit as we go. I'm gonna just cover this and we'll check on it in a few minutes. Let's check on our red lentils. They're almost done cooking. So now I'm gonna get my spinach prep to put in, but I wanted the lentils to cook up first. Okay, our red lentils and fresh spinach are ready. Let's taste test. Let's test. Nothing better than fresh spinach. This is jam-packed full of nutrients. I hope you get to try it.